Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to paint sand dollars. This is a great activity to do after the beach or to decorate your house with. I do decorate my house with these beautiful sand dollars, and I'm going to show you today how to make them. I'm going to take a sand dollar. Now you have an option to paint the whole entire sand dollar or leave it natural. In this video I'm going to leave mine natural. My paint colors, and these are some of the tools that I'll be using to paint my sand dollars. I'm going to start in the middle with gold, and I'm going to use a big round stick to make the spots or the dots, and I'm going to try to also follow the design of this natural design of the sand dollars. So now I've got my dots, and I'm going to now add smaller dots following the little flower petals of the sand dollar, the shape of the sand dollars. I'm not really sure what that part is called, and I'm going to add little dots straight down, and I'm going to repeat that on all the sides. Once I'm done, I'm going to take a lighter blue now, and I'm going to put it along the edge of the center of those dots that I added to the petals. I'm going to call that area a petal because I'm not really sure what part of the sand dollar that is called. And I'm going to go ahead and just sort of outline that little petal design on the sand dollar with my light blue. Now I'm going to go ahead and add more dots. I'm going to add bigger dots here and closer to the center, but not on the center. And then I'm going to start with white, and I'm going to add white along the petal outline again to outline that design once more. I'm using my smaller dotting sticks to outline the gold dot in tiny little turquoise dots. I'm repeating the same process, but I went a little bit lighter with the color now. I did a light blue. I'm going to add a smaller dot on top of the gold dot. As I mentioned before, I like following the design of the sand dollar, but the more I start to paint, the more different designs I start to incorporate into it. And that's something that I recommend that you do. Just start coming up with your own design along the way. I'm going to take a little bit of gold, and I'm going to outline again the petal of the sand dollars because I really wanted it to pop a little bit. I want to emphasize that layering your dots is a great way to bring out some interesting colors to your sand dollars. I do believe that layering the little dots gives it a more interesting look to the sand dollar. So that's something that I would tell you to go ahead and try. Put a little, let your dots dry, and then add layers on top of that. Since I didn't paint the sand dollar, I am going to add plenty of dots. I want the dots to be almost like I painted the sand dollars, that you see mostly the colors coming through the sand dollar. So I will be filling it up, but I do like to follow a pattern when I do this. I'm just not putting dots anywhere randomly. I'm going back in and adding some colors to my big dots. It does help to have different sizes of dotting tools. If you do not have dotting tools, you can use the back of your paintbrushes, which I do often, or the tip of a skinny paintbrush. You could use that too. I've decided to add little tiny dots between my white dots. I'm going to take my gold paint and I'm going to outline the edge of the sand dollar all the way around. And when I'm done with that, I'm also going to outline that little hole that you see in the sand dollar. At this point, I'm going to add the finishing touches, and by doing so, I want to go ahead and layer more dots on my dots. So I'm going to add those. It's pretty dry, so it's good enough to add, and then I'll add a third layer if I need it. I hope you enjoy painting sand dollars along with me, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe below.